The Water Department has a capital improvement program that supports the Public Utilities Division goal of accomplishing Level 2 management of assets and risk of failure. Although some risk is assumed, the program still maintains compliance with all federal, state, and local regulations. Also maintained is the ability to meet the demand of its customers for potable water with reliability and sustainability. The Water Department operates and maintains 3 well fields that provide the raw water supply to 2 water treatment plants. The 3 well fields include a total of 101 wells, ranging in depth from approximately 80 feet to approximately 950 feet deep. The well fields provide both fresh water and brackish water to 4 separate treatment processes. The 2 hybrid water treatment plants have a total capacity to treat and distribute 52 million gallons per day of high-quality drinking water. 4 million gallons of lime softening water treatment capacity was constructed at the South County Regional Water Treatment Plant in 1984. The plant was expanded in 1988 to 12 million gallons per day. The lime softening treatment process uses fresh water from the lower Tamiami Aquifer. In 1993, the North County Regional Water Treatment Plant was constructed with a treatment capacity of 12 million gallons per day. Nanofiltration, commonly known as membrane softening, uses fresh water from the lower Tamiami Aquifer in the production of drinking water. The North County Regional Water Treatment Plant was expanded in 1999 with the addition of 8 million gallons per day of reverse osmosis treatment. The reverse osmosis process uses deeper brackish water from the mid and lower Hawthorne aquifers in the production of drinking water. The total treatment capacity at this facility is 20 million gallons per day. In this picture, the 12 million gallons per day of nanofiltration treatment process capacity is on the left. The 8 million gallons of reverse osmosis treatment process capacity is on the right. 2 additions followed, both at the South County Regional Water Treatment Plant. Both additions use reverse osmosis to treat brackish water, again drawn from the mid and lower Hawthorne aquifers. The first phase of the reverse osmosis treatment capacity construction, 8 million gallons per day, was completed in 2005. The second phase of construction added 12 million gallons per day of reverse osmosis treatment capacity in 2009. The completion of the 2 phases of reverse osmosis water treatment capacity brought the total water treatment capacity at this facility to 32 million gallons per day. The water distribution system, a grid of underground transmission mains and water mains, delivers drinking water to customers through approximately 900 miles of pipe. That's enough pipe that if laid end to end following I-75 going north, would reach Williamsburg, Kentucky. Water has provided 56,000 residences, businesses, schools, and medical facilities through service connections from the underground water main in the street to the building. The water passes through a water meter and in most cases a backflow preventer before being delivered to the customer's water service. The Raw Water Booster Station, located on 7th Street Southwest in the Golden Gate Estates, pumps raw water from the Tamiami well field to the freshwater treatment process at both the north and south treatment plants. All of the water from this well field must pass through this facility, which provides sufficient pressure to deliver the water to the treatment plants. Project 70085, a multi-year project, sets aside $500,000 in fiscal year 2012 for repairs and modifications needed in this facility to meet pumping requirements to move the water to the treatment plants and to stay in compliance with Florida Administrative Code 62-555. This section of Florida Administrative Code requires water utilities to maintain facilities in good repair and operable condition at all times. Included in the project will be replacement of the pipe that is buried beneath the slab of the building with overhead piping that can be repaired when necessary without having to cut through the floor and excavate under the building. The project also includes the repair or replacement of the pumps and motors that pressurize the water in order to move it to the treatment processes. Replacement of the metal frames that hold the pumps and motors in correct alignment and the cement bases upon which the pumps and motors sit will also be replaced. The metal frames that hold the pump and motor sets are literally rusting away from exposure to the conditions of the facility, and the concrete pump bases that were poured in the 1980s are beginning to crumble. Additionally, money will be spent from this project to address ongoing restoration and rehabilitation of the 101 wells and the 41.87 miles of raw water transmission mains and appurtenances. The South Reverse Osmosis well field provides brackish water to the South County Regional Water Treatment Plant. In February 2010, there was a catastrophic failure of the raw water transmission main on the portion of the well field located south of the water treatment facility. Project 70030 in the fiscal year 2012 budget commits $5 million for the repair of the well field. The project will restore the well field to its original constructed capacity, necessary for providing raw water capacity and well field reliability for the reverse osmosis water treatment process. A significant milestone in the improvement to finished water quality was reached when the degasification and odor control towers and related equipment replacement project was completed earlier this year at the North County Regional Water Treatment Plant. This fiscal year 2011 project addressed the treatment process and odor control function of the facility, but left work remaining to be funded and completed in fiscal year 2012. The additional work, funded with $220,000 in Project 71066, includes the replacement of concrete stairway accesses to the buildings that are crumbling and separating from the structures. These stairway accesses are becoming a safety concern as they provide the only access to the facilities. Also included in the repair and coating of the interior of the treated water clear well, which is located below the degasification towers in this video. This clear well is an integral part of the facility, holding water after it passes through the degasifiers and acts as a suction chamber for the transfer pumps that move the treated water to the ground storage tanks on the plant site. Project 71063 provides $1 million for replacement of 10 of the variable frequency drives that provide electricity and control for pumps and motors located in this treatment facility. This is the third year of a 4-year project that replaces all of the VFDs in the plant. Many of the VFDs currently in use were installed in 1991, and not only are they becoming more unreliable, but replacement and repair parts are no longer available. Interstage booster pump installation and pump redesign, combined with the replacement of the reverse osmosis membrane filters in the reverse osmosis treatment units, will significantly improve the efficiency of electrical consumption and the efficiency of treatment processes in the production of potable water. Project 71057 establishes a budget of $2 million to accomplish these improvements in efficiency. The lime softening reactors at the South County Regional Water Treatment Plant were installed in the 1980s and have never undergone a major rehabilitation. During a compliance inspection by the Florida Department of Environmental Protection, the facility was cited for the degrading condition of the reactors and the need for corrective maintenance. Project 70034 establishes a budget of $500,000 to effect repair to 2 of the 3 reactors in fiscal year 2012. In addition to the work on the reactors at the South County Regional Water Treatment Plant, the Technical Support Program, Project 71065, provides funds to rehabilitate pumps, piping, and valves in the filter gallery located in the lime softening plant. Also installed in the 1980s, age and environment are taking a toll on the mechanical reliability of these integral appurtenances to the lime softening water treatment process. $1.5 million is budgeted in Project 70088 to replace the casing of deep injection well number 1. The casing in deep injection well number 2 failed during this past year, and the replacement is funded in the current fiscal year. The deep injection wells are the only permitted method for the disposal of the concentrate waste stream from the reverse osmosis treatment process, and without the wells, no water can be treated. The relocation of water distribution system underground infrastructure is often driven by Florida Department of Transportation road projects. $4.5 million is budgeted in Project 70045 for relocation of water transmission mains related to the work that is scheduled during fiscal year 2012. A large portion of these funds will be expended in the work that will be done in and around I-75 and County Road 951 intersection, and the related work in and around the Davis Boulevard and County Road 951 intersection. Project 71010 is a multi-year project for the replacement of water mains and water meters in areas of the water distribution system that are either inadequately sized to meet peak and fire flow requirements or that have escalating maintenance costs due to pipe failures. $1.5 million has been budgeted for fiscal year 2012, and replacement efforts will focus on the Old Laley area. Projects in following years will target Berkshire and Naples Park. Transite pipe, also known as asbestos/cement or AC pipe, is problematic in portions of the system that were installed in the mid-1900s, where higher pipe failure rates are being experienced. An excellent example is the water distribution system in the Isles of Capri, where the second phase of a two-phase replacement project is nearing completion. Repairing a water main break that involves AC pipe requires specially trained and certified personnel, special personnel protection equipment, specialized air quality monitoring, special handling during repair or removal, and well-documented transport and disposal. This multi-year project replaces approximately 3 miles per year of the 900 miles of water distribution system. A second significant multi-year project for the water distribution system is Project 70010, the Meter Renewal and Replacement Program. This fiscal year 2012, a $1 million project will replace failed meters and meters that have reached the end of their expected lifetime and have decreasing accuracy. There are 56,000 water meters in the system. Water meters must accurately measure and record the amount of water that passes through them in order to bill for water usage accurately. Both water and wastewater depend on accurate billing in order to provide the source of revenue for the utility. As meters age, they slow down. In other words, they measure less water than is used. As a result, although the utility must continue to pay for the full cost of water production, the utility loses revenue when meters lose accuracy. Generally, a meter is expected to remain fairly accurate for about 15 years, but meter lifetime is dependent on many factors, including the rate at which water is used and the environment in which the meter is located. An effective meter replacement program for the Collier County Water Sewer District should replace approximately 4,000 meters per year. This brief summary of some of the projects in fiscal year 2012 capital improvement program started with the water source, the well fields, and ended with the meter delivery of water to the customer. While this video is not intended to be a comprehensive list of all the projects included in the fiscal year 2012 budget, it demonstrates the need for preserving the integrity of the public water supply system, the need for projects to sustain compliance, projects that meet demand with reliability, and projects that protect public health. The capital improvement program submitted in the fiscal year 2012 budget is the right program at the right time, assuming level 2 risk while avoiding costly breakdown and repair. A public water supply system can't be run to failure. The regulatory agencies won't allow it, and the customer won't accept it.